Change of character is a crucial concept that you should know if you learn how to trade gold. In this video I will teach you how to identify change of character and how to apply that for making accurate predictions on gold. And watch this video until the end, because at the end of this video I will teach you how change of character relates to multiple time frame analysis on gold. Curious, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Change of character relates to market trend analysis, and in order to understand that principle properly, first you should learn how to execute the market trend analysis with smart money concepts. According to the theory, smart money traders believe that the market is trading in a bearish trend if the price sets two consequent lower lows and a lower high between them. Once the smart money traders identify such a pattern, they say that the market is bearish and they anticipate a further bearish continuation in such a way. For more education, for more exclusive analysis and signals, do not forget to subscribe to my Instagram, the link in the description below. A similar logic will be applied for the identification of a bullish trend. Smart money traders believe that in a bullish trend, the market should set at least two consequent higher highs and a higher low between them. Once such a pattern is spotted, you can make a conclusion that the trend is bullish and you can anticipate a further bullish continuation with new higher lows and new higher highs. But trends do not last forever, and a bearish trend may easily change to a bullish trend, while a bullish trend may easily change to a bearish trend. The concept of change of character will help you to accurately identify the coming market reversal. In order to spot a bearish reversal in a bullish trend, underline the level of the last higher low. While the market is trading above the last higher low level, the market remains bullish. However, a bearish violation of the level of the last higher low is a very important event. We call that the change of character, and it signifies that the trend is no more bullish and a bearish reversal is coming. Here's the example. Gold was trading in a strong bullish trend. We see the sequence of higher highs and higher lows. And here is the level of the last higher low. And while the market was trading above that, we considered the trend to be bullish. However, then you can see that the market successfully violated the last higher low level to the downside. And for us, it was a very important event. It was the change of character. And you can see that then we saw a strong bearish reversal and a bearish continuation. In a bearish trend, your main focus is the level of the last lower high. While the market is trading below that, we see that the market is bearish. But a bullish violation of that is a very important event. It is called the change of character, and it signifies that bullish reversal is coming. It signifies that the trend is no more bearish, and probabilities will be high that soon we're gonna see a strong bullish wave. Gold short daily time frame. And you can see that for a quite long period of time, gold was trading in a strong bearish trend. However, once the price set the last lower low, a strong bullish rally initiated. And with that strong bullish rally, the price successfully violated the level of the last lower high. For us, it is a very important event. It is the change of character. It signifies that the bearish trend is invalid and that the market with a very high probability will keep growing. But how change of character relates to multiple time frame analysis? You should remember that you can identify the market trend on any time frame. However, the trend that you identify on higher time frames will be the global trend, while the trend that you identify on lower time frames will be the minor trend. A single movement on a higher time frame can be the extended minor trend on a lower time frame. And you can apply the change of character on a lower time frame as your signal of initiation of a new wave on a higher time frame. A bearish trend that we spotted on gold on a daily time frame is just a single bearish movement on a weekly. And you can see that on a weekly time frame we are trading in a bullish trend. And the change of character on a daily time frame simply means that this bearish movement is completed. And now it is the moment, it is the time for a new strong bullish wave. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, let me know if you want to see more videos about gold trading basics. Also, traders, do not forget to subscribe to my Instagram, the link in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to watch my other videos.